Alright, this is AK Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment. But I'm here to give you more videos about cars. So today I'm here to give you a video about the symptoms that you have to know that you need brake system flash brake fluid flash. Yes, and then the time when to change your brake fluid time, because a car, the brake fluid has a time, a year, that if the year get to that year, it's supposed to change. You flash the system, is flash the system, and then you fill with new brake fluid. So this is it, that I'm going to give you the symptoms, and then the symptoms of brake fluid flash or brake system flash. The symptoms. So you have to check the symptoms. Yes, you check it, then you go. So follow me. Let's go. Let me show you. Follow me. Let's go. Let me show you the symptoms and then the year that is supposed to change or flash the brake fluid system. So a brake fluid, the year that you're supposed to change a brake fluid, or you have to flush the braking system with and replace it with new fluid. The year 2 years time is supposed to change. Yes, 2 years time is supposed to change a brake fluid. So you're supposed to flush the brake fluid, your braking system. Every 2 years you have to do braking system flushing. Yes, and then the sign or the symptom that is telling you that you need brake system flash or brake fluid change is one is when you press the brake pedal. Yes, when you press it, when you press the brake pedal like this one, when on speed, sometimes you can you feel that you can feel the brake pad is smelling. You can feel the smelling side of the brake pad. Yeah, that the brake pad is smelling, it's burning. Once you take off your legs, still feeling it. That brake pad is smelling, and because the cause is that the the piston, the brake piston, yes, the brake piston, when you press the brake pedal and it come out, it shoot out, it can return back again. Immediately it happens like this. You take off your leg, but still the piston is intact or the brake is intact. So you can hear the brake pad is burning, it's smelling. Yes, so it's supposed to flush the system inside a system. The braking system has to change the brake fluid. So when you press the brake pedal, you release your legs, but still the piston is inactive. The piston is supposed to go back when you release the brake. The piston is supposed to go back. The piston will not go, but it's still here, that but it still is intact. Yes, it still is intact. So you smell brake pad burning. So like this one, instead of this one, the piston will press the brake shoe. The piston will press the brake shoe to this disc. Yes, to do this, the piston should move back when you release the brake or take off your leg from the brake pedal. But because of the fluid is contaminated, the piston will still be in active position, that it's still pressing the brake shoe to the disc. So you can feel that the brake the brake pad is burning. If you want to know this, you jerk one side of your car, then you raise up the tire, then you press the brake pedal, you pump it, then you release your leg, then you come out, then you turn your tire and see that your tire has locked. See that the tire has locked. So if happen like that, then that means you need brake brake foot flash. Yes, you need brake foot flash. You have to change the brake foot with a new one. So this is OK Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.